Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robot vacuums. We'll be comparing the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and the Roomba Combo J5. Both of these products offer innovative features, but which one is the best choice for you? Let's find out. Let's start with the price. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum is priced at $1,299, while the Roomba Combo J5 comes in at $599. As you can see, there is a significant price difference between the two. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum is on the higher end of the price spectrum, while the Roomba Combo J5 offers a more budget-friendly option. Now let's talk about the cleaning performance. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum boasts a powerful 5,500 pascals hyperforce suction, ensuring that dirt and dust are effectively removed from both floors and carpets. It also features an upgraded floating rubber brush that stays close to uneven floors, leaving no room for dirt to hide. Additionally, its Viberized mopping system offers superior mopping capabilities, leaving less dirt behind than traditional robot mops. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 also delivers powerful performance with its 4-stage cleaning system. It efficiently pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair, ensuring a comprehensive clean. The Roomba Combo J5's proprietary Dirt Detect technology enables it to detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. Plus, with the added Roomba Combo bin, it transforms into a robot vacuum and mop, leaving your hard floors shiny and dust-free. When it comes to smart features, both the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and the Roomba Combo J5 have impressive offerings. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum features reactive tech obstacle avoidance, which detects and avoids objects on the floor, preventing any mishaps during cleaning. It can even suggest no-go zones automatically, saving you the trouble of moving things around before starting a cleanup. Similarly, the Roomba Combo J5 knows what to clean and what to avoid. It can avoid objects like cords, backpacks, pet toys, and even pet waste. With the iRobot Home app, you can create no mop zones, ensuring that your carpets stay dry while the mop is in use. Let's move on to some additional features. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum offers auto mop lifting, a feature that allows it to vacuum carpets and mop floors simultaneously. It can automatically lift and lower the mop as needed, providing you with the ultimate clean without any manual intervention. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 is compatible with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal. With this feature, you can enjoy up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming, as it automatically empties its bin into the clean base. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here's the overall assessment. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and the Roomba Combo J5. Both products offer unique features and cater to different budgets. If you're looking for top-notch cleaning performance and advanced mopping capabilities, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum might be the right choice for you. However, if you're on a budget and want a versatile robot vacuum and mop combo, the Roomba Combo J5 is definitely worth considering. Remember, it's important to prioritize your specific needs and preferences when making a purchasing decision. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.